guys, welcome back to another episode of Kimwrldtour. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you guys a few waterfalls to check out while you're in Iceland for a couple days or even for a long stay. But these are a must-see while in Iceland. So obviously I was in Iceland during the winter season. I went in mid-February, so a lot of the waterfalls were frozen. But I'll definitely be back in the summertime to see what it looks like with green landscape all around it. So I'll definitely do another video on that once I go back and visit. But here they go. Seljalandsfoss was only an hour and 15-minute drive from Reykjavik. But with the weather that was going on in the winter season, it took me about 3 hours to make it there because I had to do a lot of stopping. Alright, so out here, this beautiful view. It's kind of freezing. The wind isn't bad right now compared to how it was earlier, but stop one is completed. I got some amazing pictures, and I also did some videos to make some reels. So yeah, so on to the next spot. Here we go. Alright, so this is just another view of it. But yeah, it's cold. It's time to go. It's a little bit too brisk, but yeah. Some quick footage of here and then it's time to go. So it's beautiful. So when I talk about the weather being bad, this is what I mean, guys. At some point on my drive-in, I could not see. In early morning, it was like pitch black and I could not see anything at all. I had to stop. But let's go to the next stop. All right, so I'm at Skogafoss. Yeah, so I'm about to walk up, take a picture. This is the second stop. So I had lunch at the Skogafoss bar in Bristol. It's not that far, it's literally right there by the fall. So yeah, here we go. The walk to the waterfall was not long at all, but with the cold it felt so much longer. But there's where the parking lot is compared to where the waterfall is. It's windy because the fall's coming out really hard. I'm glad I got a hat and not a bucket hat. Alright, so I'm soaking wet because I walked really close to it. So now I'm freezing, but it's worth it. This is amazing. Look at this view. Woo! Oh my goodness, this is amazing. So the steps are right there that you can walk up on, and people are actually, you can see, I'm about to go up there. I'm sorry, my life insurance policy don't cover accidental. I ain't going up there, not on this trip. You guys know I'm usually with the risk taken, but yeah, not on this trip. I'm not doing that. Nah, I need to get back. Not this time. Not in Iceland of all places. So today's gonna be, seems to be like it's gonna be a nice, quick, short day. So let's go see the Gulfoss waterfall.